Hi, this is Richard Mates from Knight Security, and this is Safe at Home. A little bit of insight into protecting you and your family, and the one we all love, which is your family and your home. We've talked about burglary, we've talked about fire. I want to talk about panic buttons. On all security keypads nowadays, there are at least police, fire, and medical panic buttons that are on all the time, 24 hours a day, whether your system is armed or disarmed. This is something great to show the kids, should they be home by themselves, or an elderly person, that there is a way to directly get paramedics to the home by simply depressing a button. And the central station, which you see behind me, is trained to receive these signals and dispatch the police, fire, or medical many times faster than even the public agencies. So if you have any questions on this or another topic, please let me know at 619-797-6603, and please be safe at home. Thanks.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, be sure to subscribe.
You'll have full access to see all our videos. From quick tips to full episodes, it's all at your disposal.
That's right. You'll get great information for all your home improvement projects, but even better, you'll have contact information on hand when you need some help.
All the trusted pros in the network are great resources to have. So hit the subscribe button below and check out more videos.